Chico, no licking. Let's go. No licking. That's a new trick, eh? The piss and lick. He's trying to confuse me now. Wants me to think he's taking a piss, but he's doing both at once. Licking stuff off the ground and taking a piss. Hey, Chico, let's go. Leave it. Hey, get out of there. There's the stairs. I'm taking a different way today. Hey, Cheek. Come on. Come on. Getting chased by a big ass bee right there. Look at this spot. That's a decent little view. The rock background. Okay, man. Come on, let's go. Oh, looks like we hit the jackpot right there.